I am Kale SL, Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's RBNB College Rampur. Here we see 12th Science Mathematics Part 2 Indefinite Integration, lecture number 20, exercise 3.3. In the previous lecture, we have seen in exercise 3.3, question number 1 is completed. In question number first, there are 21 problems. We have solved each problem except one problem. Now here we start question number second. In question number second, there are 12 problems and the previous one problem. So we have to discuss here 13 problems. So question number second, integrate the following functions with respect to x. In question number first, 10th problem is e to the power 2x cos 3x. Question number first and 10th problem, e to the power 2x into cos of 3x. This is the problem. And in question number first problem and second problem is also of this type. That is e to the power 2x sin 3x. E to the power 2x sin 3x. And next one, e to the power minus x cos of 2x. These three problems are of the same type. So this problem is given in the question first and these two problems given in the question number second. This is first and this is second. So totally these three problems are of the same type. We solve one of these and remaining to solve by yourself. So solution of this problem. Let I is equal to integration of e to the power 2x cos of 3x dx. Now here integration of product of two functions, e to the power 2x and cos of 3x, exponential function and trigonometric function. Now the choice of u and v, that depends upon the Liat rule. Liat, L-I-A-T-E, logarithmic function, then inverse, algebraic, then trigonometric. Here trigonometric function cos of 3x and then exponential function e. So t is the first letter, so we take here cos of 3x as u and exponential function as phi. So this is equal to integration of, we write cos of 3x firstly and then this e to the power 2x dx. This as a u and v. Integrating by parts. So it is equal to cos of 3x into integration of e to the power 2x dx, u into integration of phi minus integration of derivative of u is here cos of 3x, into integration of phi, integration of e to the power 2x dx and this dx again. Integration of uv rule, integration of uv dx. We know this, integration of uv dx, u into integration of phi dx minus integration of dy dx of u into integration of phi dx with respect to x. This is the uv rule, integration of uv dx. So we use this formula here. So u as cos of 3x and phi as e to the power 2x. Now take here integration. So it is equal to cos of 3x, integration of e to the power x, that is equal to e to the power x. So e to the power 2x, but in place of x there is 2x. So take its derivative. Derivative of 2x is 2. So divide by 2. Minus integration of derivative of cos. Derivative of cos is minus sign. So minus sign of x, but in place of x there is 3x. So again take the derivative of 3x, that is 3 into derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1. So 3 into 1, that is 3. So we write here minus 3 into sine of 3x. Again here integration of e to the power 2x is e to the power 2x divided by 2 and this dx as it is. This integration of e to the power 2x dx we have calculated here. So write here same. And now here this is equal to e to the power 2x cos of 3x divided by 2 as it is, minus minus plus integration of this 3 by 2 is constant, here 3 and divided by 2. So we write here 3 upon 2 and then take integration. So integration of sine of 3x e to the power 2x dx. And now see here, again here integration of product of two functions, that is trigonometric function and exponential function. Again here we use the integration by parts, that is integration of u v dx. Again here choice of u is according to Liet rule. Here trigonometric function and exponential function, trigonometric function and exponential function. So we take trigonometric function as a u. So this is u and this one is v. And again use here uv rule. So I is equal to e to the power 2x into cos of 3x divided by 2 as it is, plus 3 by 2 we write this here, I is equal to e to the power 2x into cos of 3x divided by 2 and plus 3 by 2, and now use here integration of uv dx. So u means here sine of 3x into integration of e to the power 2x dx minus integration of derivative of sine of 3x into integration of e to the power 2x dx, and this dx and then complete here square bracket. So here see here 3 by 2 as it is, and integration of uv dx, that is sine of 3x integration of e to the power 2x dx minus d by dx of sine of 3x into integration of e to the power 2x dx. So I is equal to e to the power 2x into cos of 3x divided by 2 plus 3 by 2 into sine of this sine of 3x as it is, sine of 3x, and integration of e to the power 2x is e to the power 2x divided by derivative of 2x as a 2, and here plus and minus, this is minus, and into 3 by 2 this 3 by 2, and here integration of sin x, that is cos x. So cos of 3x, so take the derivative of 3x, that is 3, so 3 into cos of 3x. Here integration of e to the power 2x is e to the power 2x divided by derivative of 2x, that is 2, and this dx as it is. So we get I is equal to e to the power 2x cos of 3x, this divided by 2, plus here 3 divided by 2 to the 4 e to the power 2x into sine of 3x, here minus 3 3s are, this 3 and 3 becomes 9, and 2 2s are 4, minus 9 by 4, and integration of cos of 3x e to the power 2x dx. Now see this integration of cos of 3x e to the power 2x dx, this is nothing but I. I is equal to integration of e to the power 2x cos of 3x dx, this is I. So we put here this integration as I, and therefore it is equal to, here we take e to the power 2x common in these two terms, e to the power 2x common. Also here take here upon 2 and upon 4, so take here 4 common. So in the bracket here remains 2 into cos of 3x and plus this 3 into sine of 3x. See here e to the power 2x is common, and here this 1 by 2 and 1 upon 4, we take 1 upon 4 common. So here we have to multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 into 2 4. So we multiply numerator by 2. So here 2 into cos of 3x plus 3 into sine of 3x, and this minus 9 by 4 into this is I. So I, we carry this minus 9 by 4 I to left side, and so we get here I plus 9 by 4 into I, that is equal to e to the power 2x in the bracket 2 into cos of 3x plus 3 into sine of 3x and plus here we write constant of integration, we may take here plus c dash, suppose plus c dash, and here now I plus 9 by 4 I, so this 4 into I, 4I plus 9I, 4I plus 9I, that is equal to 13I, 13I upon 4 is equal to this e to the power 2x upon 4, here upon 4 in the bracket 2 into cos of 3x plus 3 into sine of 3x and plus constant of integration c dash, suppose. Now this 4 and 4 get cancelled, here upon 4 get cancelled. Now we carry this 13 to the right side, so here it is in multiplication, so on the right side we get I is equal to e to the power 2x upon this 13 in the bracket 2 into cos of 3x plus 3 into sine of 3x plus here we write c, where c is equal to 1 upon 13 into c dash. So this is the final solution for this problem. We highlight this problem like this and take the screenshot. So in this way we completed the solution of the 10th problem in the first question. And in second question there are two problems, e to the power 2x sine of 3x, e to the power minus x cos of 2x. Here this is the first problem in question number second, and this one is second problem. So solve these two problems using this method. It is homework to you. Now here there is a short trick how to get directly solution. So here there is a trick to find the solution of these problems. Trick is here integration of e to the power ax, integration of e to the power ax into cos of suppose bx plus c. We have solved this problem. E to the power 2x into cos of 3x means here a is 2 and b is 3 in this problem. In first problem, in this problem a is 2 and b is 3, and trick is here e to the power ax upon a square plus b square, e to the power ax upon a square plus b square in the bracket a into cos of bx plus c and plus b into sine of bx plus c, b into sine of bx plus c and plus constant of integration. This is the trick to solve this problem directly. Now check whether answer match. We have the answer I is equal to e to the power 2x upon 13 and that square bracket for this problem, and we take direct solution using this formula. Whether we get the same answer, check here. So integration of e to the power 2x into cos of 3x dx, here a is 2 and b is 3, so it is equal to e to the power ax, ax means here 2x upon a square plus b square, a means 2, b means 3, 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9, 4 plus 9, that is equal to 13. In the bracket a is here 2, a is 2 into cos of bx plus c, that is cos of 3x, so cos of 3x plus b is here 3, b is 3 into sine of bx plus c, sine of bx plus c means here 3x, c is 0 here, 3x, bx is 3x and plus constant of integration. So check whether the answer is same, e to the power 2x upon 13, e to the power 2x upon 13, this bracket 2 times cos of 3x, 2 times cos of 3x plus 3 sin 3x plus 3 sin 3x, so answer are same, and so we use directly this formula to solve this problem and this problem. Now here for this problem there is another formula for this problem. Second trick, integration of e to the power suppose ax and instead of cos of bx plus c, here sine of bx plus c. sine of bx plus c, here dx, here also dx. So it is equal to e to the power ax upon a square plus b square. Same, e to the power ax upon a square plus b square. Here also e to the power ax upon a square plus b square, and in square bracket a, and here sine. So start with sine of bx plus c, and here minus b into cos of bx plus c, b into cos of bx plus c, and plus constant of integration. So using this formula, short trick, we can solve this problem, but in board we have to go by Liet rule, that is integration by parts. So here how to remember this problem, this formula is integration of e to the power ax cos of bx plus c. In question here cos of bx plus c, so start here a into cos of bx plus c. Here e to the power ax sine of bx plus c. In question here sine of bx plus c, so start here a into sine of bx plus c. Here plus sign and here minus sign. This part is same. This part is same. So now here we solve fourth problem. First and second we discuss here, and third problem sine of log of x. In question number second, third problem, sine of log x. Sine of log x, this is the third problem. So we call this as I. So let I is equal to integration of sine of log x dx. Now see here in the problem, sine of log x is given, sine of log x. If here sine of log x, so we put here log x is equal to t. We use here substitution method, put here log x is equal to t. But in problem we have not given sine of log x upon x is given, then we put log x is equal to t, then we take direct derivative. But here upon x is not given, means derivative of log x is not given. So how to solve this? So we write here x is equal to e to the power t. We write here x is equal to e to the power t. We cancel this log, so x is equal to e to the power right hand side. And now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1. Is equal to derivative of e to the power t is e to the power t into dt upon dx, and carry that dx to left side. So dx is equal to e to the power t dt, and therefore this required integral I becomes I is equal to integration of sine of log x, we put t, log x is t, so sine of t, and dx is replaced by e to the power t dt. And now this problem converts into our previous problem, first and second, and the 10th problem in the question number first. So here again use Liet rule, Liet rule. So here sin t is a trigonometric function, here trigonometric function, and e to the power t is exponential, here exponential function. So t appears firstly, and so we take trigonometric function as u and e to the power t as a v, and integrate by parts. So integrating by parts, integrating by parts. That is integration of uv dx. We use here formula integration of uv dx. So required integral I is equal to u means here sine of t into integration of v e to the power t dt minus integration of derivative of u, that is sine t, sine of t into integration of v, integration of e to the power t dt, and this dt again. So it is equal to sine t, integration of e to the power t is e to the power t, minus integration of derivative of sine t is cos of t, integration of e to the power t is e to the power t dt. And now again here integration of product of two functions. So again use here integration of uv dx. So again here cos of t, that is trigonometric function, it as a u, and exponential function, that is phi. So integrating by parts again. Integrating by parts again. And so I is equal to this sin t into e to the power t minus, because of this minus sign we take here square bracket. So minus u, that is cos of t into integration of e to the power t dt minus integration of d by dt of cos of t into integration of e to the power t dt. Complete this round bracket, then write dt and complete the square bracket. So I is equal to required integral, I is equal to sin of t e to the power t, we multiply by minus sign inside the square bracket. So minus this cos of t, integration of e to the power t is e to the power t, this minus and minus become plus, and integration of derivative of cos of t is minus sin t, and integration of e to the power t is e to the power t, and this dt as it is. And so we get I is equal to sin of t e to the power t minus cos of t e to the power t, plus minus become minus integration of sin t e to the power t dt. And now observe this integration of sin t e to the power t dt, it is nothing but I. So we write for this as I. So I is equal to sin of t, here we take e to the power t common, so e to the power t in the bracket sin t minus cos of t, and this minus I. Carry this minus I to the left side, minus I become plus I plus I, that is equal to 2I. So 2I is equal to e to the power t in the bracket sin of t minus cos of t, and plus here suppose c dash, here also we write plus c dash. Get it? And now we carry these two on the right hand side, therefore required integral I becomes I is equal to, so this required integral I becomes, we carry 2 on the right hand side, and it is e to the power t upon 2 in the bracket sin t minus cos of t and plus c, where c is equal to 1/2 into c dash, and lastly put the value of t. T is log x, t is equal to log of x, and e to the power t is x. So I is equal to e to the power t is x, so x upon 2 sin of t is log x minus cos of log x and plus constant of integration. This is the final solution. We highlight this solution, take the screenshot. Now here we have completed here third problem. Now fourth problem. We start fourth problem. Fourth problem is under root of 5x square plus 3. 5x square plus 3. Call this as I. So I is equal to, here we write I is equal to integration of under root of 5x square plus 3 dx. Now we have seen three formulas: integration of under root of x square plus a square dx, or integration of under root of x square minus a square dx, or integration of under root of a square minus x square dx. In all these formulas we take here x by 2, here also x by 2, here also x by 2, and take question as it is, root of x square plus a square, here also root of x square minus a square, here root of a square minus x square, and then here plus a square, so plus a square divided by 2, here minus a square, so minus a square divided by 2, here plus a square, so plus a square divided by 2, and here write the formula of integration of 1 upon root of x square plus a square, that is log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus constant of integration. Here use the formula of integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus a square. It is also log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus constant of integration. And here we use the formula of integration of 1 upon under root of a square minus x square, that is sine inverse of x upon a plus constant of integration. So we have to use one of the formula to solve such type of problems. So firstly, here we make the coefficient of x square as 1. In all these formulas, coefficient of x square is 1. So here I take 5 common. So it is equal to integration of under root of 5 in the bracket x square plus 3 upon 5. And now take this 5, root of 5 outside the integral. So root of 5 into integration of root of x square plus 3 upon 5 dx. And now we use here formula integration of under root of x square plus a square. Under root of x square plus a square dx, that is equal to, so it is equal to this root 5 as it is in square bracket x by 2, x is here x divided by 2, question as it is, that is root of x square plus 3 by 5 as it is, plus a square, here this is a square, so plus a square upon 2, so 3 by 5 upon 2 into log of x, x is here x, plus question as it is, that is root of x square plus a square, means root of x square plus 3 by 5 and plus constant of integration like this. And here write the formula, here we have to write this formula here. And so we multiply by root 5 inside the bracket, we get here root 5 into x. So root 5x divided by 2 into root of x square plus 3 upon 5 plus this root 5 into 3 upon this 5 into 2 and log of mod of x plus under root of x square plus 3 by 5 and plus constant of integration. So the final solution is here, this is equal to root 5x divided by 2 into root of x square plus 3 upon 5 plus we divide this root 5 to 5, we get it as 3 upon this 2 as it is and root 5. Or we may write here 5 as root 5 into root 5, 1 root 5 get cancelled. So 3 upon 2 root 5 and here log of x plus root of x square plus 3 upon 5 and plus constant of integration. This is the final solution. So in this way we have completed here 4th problem. Now 5th problem. So we take here 5th problem. Root of a square minus x to the power 6, a square minus x to the power 6, and here also x square. So solution of this, we write I is equal to integration of x square into under root of a square minus x to the power 6 dx. So it is equal to integration of x square into under root of a square minus, this is the square of, since here a square, so we write this in terms of square, that is x cube and its square dx, because here a square, so we write this as x cube to the power 2. And now we use here substitution method, we put x cube is equal to t, so put here x cube is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. So 3 into x square dx is equal to dt. So x square dx is present here. So we carry this 3. So we get here x square into dx is equal to dt upon 3. And therefore this required integral I becomes I is equal to integration of under root of a square minus x cube square. So x cube is t, so t square, and this x square into dx, that is dt upon 3. So this upon 3 is constant, take outside the integral, and therefore we get I is equal to, so I is equal to this 1 upon 3 constant into integration of under root of a square minus t square, a square minus t square into dt. And now we use here one of the formulas, either integration of root of x square plus a square or this or this. So we have to use here, since here integration of root of a square minus t square, that is constant square, here constant square. So we use this formula, and this is equal to x by 2 under root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x upon a plus constant of integration. So I is equal to here 1 upon 3 as it is, and solution we write in square bracket because of this 1 by 3. X by 2, x is here t, so t divided by 2 into under root of question as it is, that is a square minus t square, then plus a square by 2 because here a square is plus, so plus here a square divided by 2 into sine inverse of x, in place of x we write t, so t upon a is here a, and we complete this square bracket and plus constant of integration. So now only we put the value of t as x cube, t as x cube. So I is equal to this 1 upon 3 as it is in the bracket, t as x cube divided by 2 under root of a square minus x cube and its square, that is x to the power 6. T square, we write this t square as, in place of t we write x cube to the square, so x to the power 3 into 2, that is 3 into 2 is 6, so x to the power 6, plus here a square upon 2 as it is, sine inverse of t is here x cube and upon a, square bracket complete, plus constant of integration. This is the final solution for this 5th problem. So take here a screenshot. Now here we see 6th problem is here. So 6th problem, 6th problem, under root of, there is a product of 2 brackets x minus 3 into 7 minus x. So call this as I. So I is equal to integration of root of x minus 3 into 7 minus x and dx. So take the product of these 2 brackets. So it is equal to integration of under root of x into 7, 7x, x into minus x square, minus 3 into 7, minus 21, minus 3 into minus x, plus 3x, plus here 3x, and this dx as it is. So this is equal to integration of under root of here minus x square, this plus 3x, plus 7x plus 3x, that is plus 10x, and minus 21 dx. And so we write this as integration of under root of, we take here minus sign common in the bracket, x square, this minus 10x and this plus 21 dx. Now here we complete the square in this round bracket, we complete this square. Here x square minus 10x, we have to add here third term. And third term is, how we take third term? Third term is equal to 1/2 into coefficient of x, that is minus 10 and bracket square. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, minus 5 its square, that is equal to 25. So we have to add 25, and therefore this is equal to integration of under root of this minus sign as it is, here x square minus 10x as it is, here plus 21 also as it is, we have to add plus 25, so here plus 25 and we cancel this, so minus 25, and then write here dx. So required integral I becomes I is equal to integration of under root of, now this minus as it is, minus these three terms, that is x square minus 10x plus 25, it is the complete square of x, middle sign is minus, and square root of this 25 as 5. So x minus 5 bracket square. So it is x minus 5 bracket square. Here I take square bracket. In square bracket, this is x minus square root of 25 as 5x minus 5 bracket square, and plus this 21 and minus 25, that is minus 4. Here minus 4 dx. Now see here, this is minus 4 constant term. This minus and minus become plus 4. Minus and minus become plus 4. So we take here plus 4 and we write here this plus 4 like this, 4 minus root of x minus 5 bracket square dx. Get it? Here plus 21 and minus 25, it is minus 4, and when we take outside the bracket, that becomes minus minus plus 4. We write firstly that is plus 4, and then minus this x minus 5 bracket square. And now again here use the formula. Since which formula? Integration of under root of a square minus x square dx, that is equal to x upon 2. Question as it is, a square minus x square, here plus a square, so plus a square by 2, and formula of integration of 1 upon under root of a square minus x square dx, that is sine inverse of x upon a, sine inverse of x upon a plus constant of integration. And so we get here I is equal to x by 2, x means this bracket, that is x minus 5 upon 2 into under root of question as it is, that is 4 minus x minus 5 bracket square, and plus a square means 4 divided by 2 into sine inverse of x means bracket, that is x minus 5 divided by a is here 2, and plus constant of integration. So this is the final solution. So we write here final solution like this, I is equal to x minus 5 divided by 2 under root of this bracket is nothing but this bracket or this, or directly we write here this x minus 7, x minus 3 into 7 minus x. If we solve this bracket, we get this, plus 4 upon 2 as a 2 into sine inverse of x minus 5 upon 2 plus constant of integration. This is the final solution. Highlight this solution and take the screenshot. So in this way we have completed here 6th problem. Now here we take 7th problem. 7th problem, integration root of 7th problem, root of 4 to the power x in the bracket 4 to the power x plus 4. This is the 7th problem. So firstly call this as I. So I is equal to integration of under root of 4 to the power x into 4 to the power x plus 4 dx. So here this is equal to integration of under root of, we write 4 to the power x as 2 to the power x, it's a square, and here also 2 to the power x, it's a square, plus 4 and dx. So how we write this? 4 to the power x, we write 2 to the power 2 to the power x, that is 2 to the power 2x. It is equal to 2 to the power x bracket square. So we write 4 to the power x as a 2 to the power x bracket square. Get it? Now we take this 2 to the power x bracket square outside the root, and so we get integration of 2 to the power x into under root of this 2 to the power x bracket square plus 4 dx. And now use here substitution method. We put here 2 to the power x is equal to t. So substitution, we use substitution here. So put here 2 to the power x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. and therefore 2 to the power x into log of 2 dx is equal to dt. Now carry this log of 2 on the right hand side, therefore 2 to the power x dx is equal to dt upon log of 2. Get it? We put here 2 to the power x as a t, and therefore required integral I becomes I is equal to integration of this 2 to the power x into dx, that is equal to dt upon log of 2. So root of here 2 to the power x t, so t square and plus 4 we write 2 square, and this 2 to the power x dx as dt upon log of 2. Now this log of 2 is constant, take outside the integral, so 1 upon log of 2 integration of root of t square plus 2 square dt. And now use here standard formula. Which standard formula? Integration of root of x square plus a square dx is equal to x upon 2, question as it is, x square plus a square, here plus a square, so plus a square divided by 2. Here use the formula of integration of 1 upon under root of x square plus a square dx, that is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square and plus constant of integration. Using this formula we get here required integral I, that is equal to 1 upon log of 2 in square bracket x by 2, x means here t, so t divided by 2, question as it is, that is t square plus 2 square means 4 as it is, plus a square is here 2 square, 2 square means 4 divided by 2 into log of x is here t plus under root of question as it is, that is t square plus 4 plus constant of integration. Now here finally we put the value of t as 2 to the power x, and therefore we get required integral final solution I is equal to log of 2 in the bracket 1 upon log of 2, here it is 1 upon log of 2 t upon 2, t is 2 to the power x, so 2 to the power x upon 2 under root of t square means here 2 to the power x its square, so we write it as 4 to the power x, so it is 4 to the power x and plus 4 upon 2, it is 2, and log of again here t is 2 to the power x plus under root of here t square means 2 to the power x its square, it is 4 to the power x and plus 4 and plus constant of integration. This is the final solution. So take the screenshot of this, and we have completed here problem number 6th. We have completed here 7th problem. This is the 7th problem. So take the screenshot. Now here we see 10th problem, 10th, 11th and 12th. We discuss here shortly 10th, 11th and 12th problem. 8th and 9th problem to this academic year 2020-21 it is deleted. So 8th and 9th problem is deleted in this year 2020-2021. So we discuss only here 10th, 11th and 12th problem. Here 10th problem is sec square x under root of tan square x plus tan x minus 7. Tan square x plus tan x minus 7. Now here only put here tan x is equal to t. Put here tan x is equal to t, and here sec square x dx we get dt. Sec square x dx is equal to dt, and solve this problem. This problem is convert into ax square plus bx plus c form and complete the square and convert that problem into standard formula and solve it. And here 11th problem is similar, that is 11th problem integration of under root of x square plus 2x plus 5, x square plus 2x plus 5 dx. Here also complete the square adding third term and convert this problem into standard form that is integration of root of x square plus a square dx. And 12th also integration of under root of 2x square plus 3x plus 4, 2x square plus 3x plus 4 dx. Here also this problem is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Make the coefficient of x square as 1. Firstly take 2 common, then complete the square and convert it into standard form integration of root of x square plus a square dx and solve. So these 3 problems are homework to you, and in this way we have completed here question number 2 of exercise 3.3. In the next lecture we will see here question number 3 which contain 9 problems. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.